Good morning, everybody. This is Ed Carter with Trader Vision 2020 and today's featured trade idea for June 20th, 2018. I guess it's a Wednesday. Let's see what we've got. Today's featured trade idea will be Kraft Heinz KHC. Couple things to note. First of all, yes, they are a large conglomerate, big company. So they will have a little exposure to trade news, whether that's with Canada and Mexico, with the EU, or with China. However, primarily they are domestic in origin in terms of sales. So, with that said, Kraft has formed a beautiful bottom here. Yesterday they put in a strong bullish engulfing signal, just breaking through a resistance level, and the next resistance level is up here some way. In addition, you can probably get an options position on Kraft Heinz. They probably have the volume to make that available. I just don't have the chains up to tell you what set of calls would look right. I recommend about a 70 delta. Staying in the money, and I recommend, if you're interested in learning about options, you talk to Doug Campbell at Right Way Options. He does a great job. So let's look at the weekly just to verify these support and resistance levels. Yes, you can see that's been a key level up here, and this level up there has had many touches on this weekly chart. Could it come down just a touch? Yeah. Could it come up just a touch? Yeah, possibly, but I'd say that's right in the ballpark. So let's just stick with that level. So we're going to look on a breakout right here at this high, which is 62.65, with a stop, which will be moved up then. It's about, what, 2.5%, something like that. So the stop is, I don't know, about 2.75%, let's call it. And we've got a run up here to the first target of about 7+%, and then if we were to make that second target, we're looking at 14.5. So let's put together a trade plan for this. By the way, the SDAO trade from yesterday did not execute, and do not leave that position on. I'm glad that we had that position up higher to force the bears to show that they were in control. They never really took control after that initial morning gap, so that worked out well. But for today, KHC, earnings are out of the way, so we've got plenty of time. You can see that bull engulfing there, and you can see we've got pretty much everything in our favor. The only bearish factor has been the symbol's bias because it's coming up out of that bottom, but the 50 moving average has just turned up. You can see the black line is the 8 EMA, and that is the T line is trending upwards here, so we're in good shape. Let's put together one entry and two exits as a plan. I believe I said that was 62.65 for an entry. Let's call this 60. Let's call it 61. Round things up. With a first target up here of what, 67.20, and up here 71.80. How about that? It says we can buy 90 shares in this account and stay below our $150 total risk. Let's go with 100 shares just for argument's sake. Oh, that's going to be a big position for this account. I'm probably going to have to knock this down, so let's knock this down to, let's try 60 shares. I hate to do it that small, but it is what it is. Yeah, so 60 shares in this account. would give us less than $100, $99 in risk. We get 2.76 to 1 reward. If we sold the entire position, we'd make only 273, so not quite our goal there. So we've got to kind of hope on getting past that goal. You can see that our break-even point on the goal for the plan is $67.98, which is right about there. And then let's sell the other 30 shares here. If we were able to make that second target, that would give us 411, easily making our goal on only a $99 risk. So that's over 4 to 1, 4.15 to 1, and that is very acceptable. And as I say, this could very well be an options trade for you. With plenty of time till earnings, you can get enough time and enough of a delta. I just don't know what the bid-ask spreads are, what the prices lay out, but maybe a 60 or a 57.50 call on this thing. I don't want to advise you on that. So that will be my trade plan for KHC for today, and I hope you evaluate this against your trading style, your trading rules, and your own criteria. And if you do decide to undertake this trade, I wish you the best of luck. Either way, I wish you the best of luck in trading today, and I hope to see you in the trading room.